Hey YouTubers, today we got another unboxing, and even though it's like way early in the morning and I finally got it, it is. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm using the broken pair of scissors. Hey, the only thing I can find. I'm gonna do this off camera. Alright, so we did this off camera. What we got in here? That's like a piece of paper. But hey, let's see what we got. First thing we got is, of course, the RC Thomas remote. We got the Trackmaster Peter Sam. And it's a little really dirty on the outside. Broken coupler. Deemed up buffers. This is a 2009 Mattel. So now, the thing we got is flip face RC Thomas. And the flippers, I think the flippers are broken on the inside. I'll take a look at it. Stickers are in good condition. The wires are still intact, hopefully. Over that, the body looks really good. And the flip face is not flipping, which is a concern, so we'll deal with that later. Here's my second flip face Thomas. And this one's having the same issues. Face isn't flipping. And this one's missing the cover. And I could convert this if I wanted to, and it has a broken coupler attachment between. But we'll look all around. His body is also in good condition. Next engine we got is a Tommy Gordon with a sunburned face. Body sunburned. The wheels are still a little bit, except y'all see the wheels are in the wrong place. Gotta redo that. This is Tommy 1995 Tommy made in Thailand. It has a really strong gear. Next engine we got is another Skarloey. I don't know how many of these Skarloeys I got now, but I done round up a lot of them. But let's take a look at them. This side looks really clean, the back. And this side, but it's kind of been like a little bit beat up or something. The face looks pretty good. This is 2005 Ghislaine Thomas Summit. Next engine we got is another Tommy Rusty. And this one, lots of paint is coming away. Same issue as Peter Sam. Lots of dirt on the buffers. Paint coming away too. Lots of paint coming away on the roof. face. It looks alright. It looks good. But we'll go on from there. Next and one we got is Percy. Atomy Percy. Themed up buffers. And has a broken tab, but has a missing switch. Missing traction tires also. So I'm gonna have to replace some of this stuff on this Percy. And the last engine that we got was the reason why I bought the slot. Oh, that cover. I bought it for this. That's right, another Talking Action Thomas. My fourth one of these. I wonder which one it says. I wonder what phrases he says. But we're gonna test them and find out. So these 5 engines, however, I can test. These 3, I can't. So the first one we're gonna test is Peter Sam. Battery contacts are clean. Put a battery in them. Put my camera up to focus a little bit. Oh, almost fell over. Let me test it with some volts. It's not working, so no. Oh, it is working. But the gears are removed. There might be like a broken gear on the inside, or the gears might be mixed up in the wrong way. But it works. And the switch. Oops. So overall, Pearson works. Right there. Next one we got is Skarloey. Like I said before, I don't know how many of these Skarloeys I'm gonna round it up, but battery contacts are clean. I'm gonna test it with the battery. Time to test it with some volts. And we don't have anything starting. Let's try with the battery one more time. Nope, so Skarloey is not working at the moment. We'll try to figure out why he's not working or why he's not running. So he's gonna go over there. Peter Sam works, Skarloey doesn't. Next one we got Rusty. And I forgot to mention that the axle up here has a little bit of corrosion. Same on the other side. I know there might be battery corrosion in the compartment. And we can't test it because the battery corrosion done broken off. Now I meant the battery terminal done broke it off at the front. And there's a lot in the back. But it does have a good gear, so we don't have to, so I might use this for like spare parts or something. Use this for spare parts. Next one we got is Percy. Even though it's missing the switch, I'm still testing anyway. But I'll have to put my screwdriver in. So let's jumpstart him. And we don't have anything coming from Percy either. So we're gonna put him there. Now, all right, so the last one we're gonna test, I saved this one, good one for the last one, which is Talking Action Thomas. As long as this one is not corroded. And it's corroded. It's a little bit corroded on the top, but we're gonna test it anyway. Let me take this off. And oh, it works. It works. But I have to hold it. Hold on. Let's have to put the top back on right quick. Screw them together. See what we get. It was just working too. Huh. It worked. Yeah, it works. But boy, we do need to clean that corrosion that's on the inside of them. I also would have tested those, but I don't have any AAA batteries with me, and Gordon doesn't have his tender, so Gordon doesn't work either. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring them all over. All right, so there you guys have it. The Tomy bundle that I gotten from the UK, the United Kingdom. Even though I had to wait about a week and a half for it to get here, I'm really impressed with this. Well, I'll be using the Skarloey probably for spare parts. Same with Rusty and Percy, Peter Sam probably. The Talking Action Thomas, my fourth one got so far. Tomy Gordon, spare parts. And these two RC Thomases, one of them I might turn into a single runner, and the other one, I might see if I can fix it. So overall, this is a really good bundle that I gotten. So I'm going to leave it there for this video. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of it. Thanks for watching.